Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Smells Like. I'm Josh. So good to see you. This is an unboxing of a new fragrance that I just got in the mail today from Chanel. So kind of just go through showing you what you get when you order a fragrance from Chanel. I already took the main like cardboard box covering off. And inside there is this little pouch, says Chanel on it. I thought that was kind of cool. This had the two samples that I picked, and I actually picked two women's perfumes to give to my mom, so my mom really likes Chanel, so I already picked those out and gave those to her, but I thought I'd keep this little bag to keep my samples and decants and stuff in, so kind of a nifty little drawstring bag. So there's that, and then there's the card that you get. You can write a little message to yourself there. A little postcard that says all the best from Chanel. This little envelope with receipt. And then what you get is this nice little gift box. Open this up then. Presentation here with the paper and the Chanel stamp. Open that up there. You open this up and you've got Egoiste. I tried this for the first time just about a couple of weeks ago. I had been wanting to try it for forever. It's not one that I ever have come across in shops or in stores. I never see people decanting it. And I finally just went on eBay and found a 5 ml decant, and I absolutely fell in love with this stuff. I haven't been this excited about a fragrance, discovering a new fragrance for myself that I really just enjoyed. I haven't been this excited in a long time about getting a new fragrance and just really enjoying a new fragrance. Here's what the box looks like. On the back, it just says spray in like 9 languages. Ingredients, info on the bottom, mumbo jumbo. Yeah, so kind of a basic type of box. Some people take their cellophane off real carefully so that they can kind of put it back on and make it look like it was always new. I don't care about doing that. I actually really enjoy crumpling up the cellophane in my hand. I like the sound that it makes. And inside we have the bottle. So again, kind of a simple bottle. So there you have Egoiste, Chanel Paris, Eau de Toilette, stuff on the bottom. So the batch code is on the bottom of the box if you ever need to find your batch code. Oh, and on the bottle, it's at the bottom on the back. So if you need your Chanel batch codes, looks like they're on the bottom of the back of the bottle and on the bottom of the box. Open this guy up. I absolutely love this stuff. I can't believe when I finally smelled it and finally got to wear it that I had gone this long without trying this one, because I just love this stuff. This just so is my style. It's rich, it's dark, it's woody. It's got these really dark woods like mahogany and rosewood, but then it's got this amazing sandalwood that's kind of at center stage. It opens with this awesome blast of the Chanel aldehydes that I've really come to love. This was created back in 1990, so almost 30 years ago. Jacques Polge created this thing. I saw an interview, fairly recent interview, and he talked about how Egoiste, even after Bleu de Chanel, was still his favorite men's cologne or men's fragrance that he ever created. He just was really proud of this one. And just kind of an avant-garde fragrance to have released in 1990. This does have some florals like rose and carnation. Like I said, those dark woods. There's tobacco. There's some fruity nuances. There's some nice cinnamon spice, some vanilla, coriander spice. There's a leathery aspect. The opening with those aldehydes has some mandarin orange in it. So man, this is just a really dark, interesting, amazing fragrance. Absolutely in love with this stuff. So there you have it. There's that unboxing. I'll do a full review on this where I really go in depth with it. So sorry, kind of a long video for just being the unboxing, but full review to come. I'll do this for my review of the week this week, so that'll be probably by tomorrow I'll have this out. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you right here at the Smells Like Fragrance channel for another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.